What if Keith Gill, or better known as Deep Effing Value or Roaring Kitty, wasn't just a brilliant analyst, but someone who cracked the code of Wall Street's hidden algorithm? Imagine his memes and live stream antics weren't just random moments, but deliberate clues to the future of GameStop and the market itself. Take his now famous live streams, one where he pulled out an Uno wildcard at exactly 103. To most, it looked like a funny prop. But could it have been more? Uno wildcard? January 3rd? It just so happens that this was the day GameStop started to break out of its trading range, a move that would trigger the retail frenzy. Then there's the Time magazine cover he showed, pausing briefly at the timestamp 109. A coincidence? Maybe not. The market will be closed on January 9th, aligning perfectly with a day of anticipated market recalibration. Was this pause just a quirk, or was Keith subtly pointing to the market's rhythm, hidden in plain sight? And let's not forget his casual sip of beer on a live stream at 113. A celebratory moment, sure, but could it have been his way of signaling cheers for January 13th? In the past, that date marked a key turning point: heavy buying interest, renewed momentum, and the culmination of his rocket meme. The date in 2024 also coincides with massive four-year leap options expiring and unprecedented open interest on January 17th option contracts. Keith hasn't just been dropping clues, he was creating a roadmap. Every meme, emoji, and moment in his streams seemed to sync with key dates in GameStop's price movements. By aligning his personal actions with the market's timing, he turned ordinary posts into coded predictions for anyone perceptive enough to see them. As the short squeeze gained momentum in 2021, millions rallied behind him. Some dismissed him as lucky. Others saw him as a mastermind who had cracked the market maker's algorithm, a system designed to control price movements for institutional gain. Keith, however, turned it on its head, empowering retail investors to challenge the status quo. In the end, was Keith Gill just a meme-loving genius, or was he something more? His live stream antics, subtle clues, and perfectly timed predictions suggest he might have understood Wall Street better than anyone realized. Whether by instinct or intention, Keith didn't just predict the game, he redefined it. Or do retail apes have their tinfoil wrapped too tightly on their heads? Let us know what you think in the comments below.